My name is Robert Minarik and I'm from Charles University, Faculty of Science, and I work on Department of Physical Geography and Geology. And our topic, or one of our research topic, because we cover whole physical geography, we have geomorphologists, hydrologists, everything. But my topic is forest and vegetation monitoring by means of UAV, especially UAV. I was invited by one of your colleagues, Zdeněk Patočka, and I think for us, for researchers, it's good to know what need are or what is needed in the practical way in forest managers, because we do research, but we have to, or I like when the research is applied into management. So that's why I came here to see the bridge between research and the management. My focus is on bark beetle infestations, and we have a big problem with infestations through whole Czech Republic. So I think that's most important to me, or the most valuable, that one part or one service of my sustainable forest is focused on bark beetle detection by time series. I think we have two big problems which they are connected together. It's the drought, that there is less precipitation and the annual temperature increasing, and that means more bark beetle generations by year and more infestations even in the mountains. I think it's most valuable for forest managers, people who are not remote sensing experts and they cannot, or they are not able to make these analyses by themselves, so they can ask for service. So I think it's more, but it was told it's more orientated to forest management and some decision makers than to researchers. But for us, as I told, it is nice to see what is needed, because one way is the research and another way it's to apply the research to topic. I think it's very good to apply these new technologies of non-invasive remote sensing, but I think it's hard to apply in forest management, because remote sensing not give you all the information you need, but it's some, let's say, more supporting information or proximal, and so still I think that there are some measurements that need to be done still in the field. I have seen what is in commercial sector, what is done, what forest engineers, makers, owners need, and we discuss a little bit with the guys from Lithuania, and they give me some tips. So I'm satisfied that I have new tips and know what's going on now in Czech Republic, because in, let's say, national scale.